Welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling GCSE Maths Foundation Algebra Sequences, Arithmetic Sequence. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, it is called an arithmetic sequence. For example, there is a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and each and every two numbers between the difference is addition 2. In this sequence, each and every number is adding up 2. So, difference between the term is constant in arithmetic sequences. Next, we will try finding the nth term. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence starts 5, 8, 11, 14. So, how do we find? First we need to n means number of terms. Number. So, first number is 5 in our terms. Second number is 8. Third number is 11. And fourth number is 14 in our sequence. So, what is the difference between each and every number in the sequence? Plus 3. So, we need to write 3n. So, work out what you need to add or subtract to get from 3n. So, it's plus 2. Because when you write 3n and when you add 3 plus 2, you will get the first term of number. Second same. When you add, so the expression is 3n plus 2. If you see this question, find an expression for nth term of the sequence starts 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. So, in this sequence we are finding the difference between all terms in the sequence. So, this is plus 3 and we need to find the previous term. When you add minus 2 plus 3, then you will get 1. So, our expression is going to be 3n minus 2. So, all I did is I've written what is the sequence they given and I found the difference between these numbers and I found the previous term which is minus 2 because minus 2 plus 3 will give us next term in the sequence. So, I found our expression for our nth term of the sequence starts with 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. This is second method, but this is first method which is long method. I will show you second method again. Finding the nth term. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence starts 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. First what we need to do here? We need to write the sequence what they are given. So 7, 12, 17, 22, 27 and we need to find the difference, isn't it? This step will tell us automatically it is 5n. Yeah. Next, we need to find the previous term. How we get this number? When you add 5 to, when you add 5, then the previous term is 2 because the difference between each and every number in this sequence is constant. That means arithmetic sequence. So, I found the previous term is 2. So 5n plus 2 is the expression for this sequence. Next one, I will show you another one. Another example. Here are the first 5 terms of arithmetic sequences. In exam, they will ask find in terms of n an expression for the nth term of sequence. Here they given 5 numbers, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I am copying these sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what we need to do here? First we need to find the common difference. So plus 2 is the common difference for each number, and we need to find the previous term. What is the previous? What number will be here? If you add 2, then you will get 1. So all you need to do here, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So if you add 2 to minus 1, then you will get 1. So we already know what is the common difference, 2n, isn't it? And what is our previous term? Previous term is 2n minus 1. Our expression is going to be for this nth term is 2n minus 1. This is the way we will solve arithmetic sequences finding the nth term of expression. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share and comment Novita Creations. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.